For this vlog, I'm required to have a quiet mind and focus because I'll try two sports that requires that all the time. Gun sports and archery. I'm here at Armscor Shooting Center in Marikina to learn more about archery and gun sports. And I also have another mission, to find out if these sports are good for kids. So if you're curious, why don't you keep watching? Right now, I'm with the president of PBAA, or Philippine Bear Bro Archery Association, Mr. Nonoy Versosa. Hello, sir. So, can you tell us a little bit about archery?
On the record, the earliest ancient people actually to do archery is actually the ancient Egyptians.
Ooh.
So from there, it started actually going through countries and everything and so forth, like China and Japan, and everything. And eventually, everything actually boils down actually to the new things actually right now, which is actually the modern archery.
How about archery and kids? Does it work?
During our time, it's more actually of experiencing it firsthand.
Oh, yes.
Diba? It's not just basically role playing, but rather actually experiencing it. Nowadays, it's more of coaxing actually the kids out of the couches and also the computers and everything.
They experience the outdoor
Yes.
experience, right?
Yeah, that's true. When he started with us, he started about I think 5 years old.
5 years
Yeah,
old,
about
guys.
2 years ago.
5 years old. You can start as young as 5.
Yes, 5 years old. Well, in terms of preparation, it doesn't take much. Number one is actually you have the interest for archery. Second is not necessarily going really into the sport of it, but rather actually enjoying actually archery.
And what's the important things to wear if you're going to do archery?
In terms of actually of the things actually that you should wear, you should have enough room actually to be able to move, to be able to draw without any restriction and everything. It's actually we have actually the finger gloves.
Oh,
To
it's
put-
just 3 fingers.
Yes, there's another one actually, which is the finger glove, which, okay, there you go. We have now a finger tap, instant, thank you. Put it inside like this, and then, actually if this is the string, you do it like this. So it protects actually your fingers.
The finger tap.
There you go, finger tab.
There you go.
And this is LJ, one of our youngest archers.
Very young,
Yeah.
How old are you, LJ? 7. Guys, he's just 7 years old.
7 years old.
So, kids in archery, it works.
It works, and
It
it clicks, and it clicks.
Whoa! Wow, nice!
Nag-try kami ng archery dito sa range Armscor. Trial, the first week, nag-try kami dalawa, mag-archery. Then, parehas namin nagustuhan, na-inlove kami dun sa sports. Then, yun naging bonding namin every Saturday. We do the archery here at Armscor. Yeah, it really helps na yung archery kasi naging daan siya na parang mas makilala ko kung ano yung kaya ng anak ko sa skill na iba-ibang skill, like sa archery ibang discipline. So nakikita ko siya kung paano siya nag-grow, paano siyang step by step na gumagaling sa ganitong sports.
I love archery because my dad let me do archery and I got surprised when the first time he said that. When my dad coaches me, I can learn many more forms and techniques.
Alright, so Sir Nonoy will teach me archery now. Am I I ready? But let's try it, guys. Let's go.
All right.
Okay, now they're gonna gear me up. So they have the equipment for me.
Is it actually your
So when you do archery, you're actually learning physics as well, diba?
Exactly. Kasi we're talking about, we're talking about the energy that is actually placed by the bow. So, and also at the same time also, physics kasi may what you call the projectile thing.
Yeah.
Diba? At a certain distance, diba? In order for you to gain more distance, you also adjust the angle.
Yeah, like you're attending a science class.
There you
Yep,
go.
yeah, you can include that in your portfolio.
Yep.
diba? This is slow motion.